Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today we will do a quick demo how to use a GridMate admin filter. It's a filter that can be created to limits available options. Let's begin. Let's create an admin filter on this account's grid. Go to the Config wizard. Select the admin filter section. Define the criteria by choosing the field and the value. Add a new label if desired. Click Save. Switch to any standard user. Go to User Grids. The account customer is visible now. Let's try to change the criteria. Go to Grid Explorer. And then the Filter section. As you can see, passing the filter is not possible. But we can still and have the ability to filter using any other field. Thank you for watching.